This can be the bitter end. I know it won't. Well, someone said I made a mistake. Kept looking forwards on past sideways. It's everything that is connected and beautiful, and now I know just where I stand. Well, seasons of a ship too late. I spent too much time, now I'm past sideways. It's everything that is connected and beautiful, and now I know just where I stand. Thank God it's over.
Hello, good morning. Why is my light not working? Let me figure it out really quick. Hopefully y'all are doing all right.
With all the fire set in our eyes.
Hopefully I don't get another YouTube strike. I probably shouldn't be listening. What the fuck is going on outside? Is it disconnected here? Did I accidentally? Yeah, hold on a sec. Let me just plug it in. I forget what it's called. The Elgato key lights. It is. It comes with like I guess a universal electrical adapter, and it's just really loose, so it always just comes apart. It's dark in there. Yeah, no, it should be better now with the light on. Good morning. Good to see y'all. The Were Duck. I see you hanging and lurking. Appreciate you popping in through the notification. I'm kind of, I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little bit tired, a little bit exhausted, but Go Live Day is gonna be here sooner than later, and I need to keep working. So I want to just get a little bit, even if it's an hour or 10 minutes worth of progress, I want to get a little bit of progress this morning. So that's why we're here, to keep plugging away at it. I did work on it. I did work on the code a little bit last night. I had planned to stream last night, but I ended up watching The Wild Robot with my son, and you know, it's family's always going to be a priority for me. So that's why I don't think I could do like evening streams. I'm going to try on Tuesday to do an evening stream. It's just really hard with family. and like responsibilities. It's a little bit easier. I mean, I have responsibilities in the morning as well, but it's like a little bit easier to manage them in the morning. You care about your family more than streaming? Yeah, surprisingly, I do. Family comes first. Hardest and most satisfying job I've ever had. But streaming is until y'all start subscribing and I get like thousands of viewers. Streaming will unlikely be a full-time priority at any point. I just don't. Who knows? But game development is a lot more fun, and I'd rather do that than streaming. I enjoy the streaming aspect of the community that we're building for sure. But it's because I'm doing the game dev. And even that comes, I mean, look, at the end of the day, like if there's something that's happening, I will drop game dev to hang out with my family. All right, so I did a little bit of, I did implement all the progression under the level manager. So that really nasty switch statement is now gone, which is nice. I'm just want to double check some cleanup bits. So that is done. Increment walls completed. All of this branching logic should be able to go, and it boils down now to just one line, which is current progression as I wall progression. If not null, on gate passed. So we just call that. And then on wall collision, it's the same thing. I could remove all of this and break it down into a wall progression call. If not null, on wall collision is wall level complete. This can go away. It's no longer there. Next word, next asteroid. These stay their targets for the context explicit implementations. So for every counter field and public, same for every public field. I don't love that. Close the to-do comments. So this stays as context states. Line 31 replace with the one line comment naming go 31. What was this to do? Summarize these 5 props. Getters and setters. The original, I don't know the pattern to do. Delete with satisfaction. Where is that? I don't. The pad. I guess I already deleted that. Yeah. Check the using systems. Actually, now system.link. Yeah, I think I could remove. Can I remove this? I think so. No, I can't. What's calling it? A cast. Okay. Okay, game should still work. Let me open up Unity. I did close it last night. You've done some stuff too, but I'm not ready to show it yet. When you're ready, I'm always open to show it. You don't need to claim reward points. I'm gonna make one the one video because it would be, excuse me, it would be long if you only had one video. If you had one video, sure. It is good that you are making daily progress on it, though. Nope, that's not gonna work. Yeah, I think everything's working fine. Let me commit. Ah. All right, what is the things in phase 4 that it brings up? Not required for this refactor to be done. Ordered by value. Unify wall collision, bait, boss wall collision. Yeah, after phase 3, the bodies are identical. Delete. Boss wall collision, those do look exactly the same. So that's a nice little bit of deduplication. And then that's going to break ship controller. Oh, and this could also just... I think I could even just get rid of the if, or the is. I could do just level manager wall collision. Because I don't need to check for the different states. I don't think that will break anything. That's kind of a nice cleanup. And refactors are so satisfying. You got alert, need to buy some stuff, make soup, and study for history as always. I'm close to finishing though. I'm getting 83 on 100 as a score, but I need to be 90 to 100 to get a job in government. Focus up, buddy. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for lurking. Appreciate you. But your shit has got to come first. Yeah, it seems to be fine. Cool. That is good. All good, good, good. Decouple the sedative ending. Invoke next level or endgame calls. Let's take a look at that. Let me see. Let me... Over to level manager, invoke next level or end game. Invoke next level or end game calls. Invoke next level or end game. It calls. Let's take a look. Calls end game with fade and text. Level manager driving a UI animation with a hard-coded string. Yeah, that's not great. Replaced with a new on sentence level time exceeded event that end game fade out subscribes to. It already finds level manager for game over death, game over timer, behavior preserving, move the string, and the animation choice to the animation layer. I think that's probably pretty fair. So demo ending, this is end game ending. Public event action. On sentence level time exceeded. Yeah, I like that. Where do I register all of these again? I feel like the class is still like so big. Right, I don't have to register it. My bad. I'll take this. I'll take all this out. On What did I call it? Sentence level timer exceeded. Invoke. Hey, I'll be right back. Yeah, I'll be right back. I just need to just take a step out there for a second. Crap, did I just on sentence level timer exceeded. Invoke. And then we're going to go to end game fade out. End game fade out. End game fade out with text. So why don't I make this private? Why don't I do level manager, let's do on level manager equals find object of type and then let's do let's register on sentence next level exceeded. Let's call it handle on sentence level time exceeded. Private void on disable. Level manager. We could do that. And let's do private void handle on sentence level timer exceeded, and then we could just do end game fade out with text. Guess I don't need this. Wait end timer end game level manager game over timer set block typing. Okay, I think that works. Place a new on-site inventory that end game describes it already finds level manager for game level behavior preserving. Moves the string and the animation choice. See the animation layer, sure, yeah. The other thing we could do is we could probably do this. Not efficient, but it's probably fine, and I don't need to optimize this class. Let's see if that still works. What I could do is reduce the time so we get there faster. Oh, we have compile errors. Where's the compile errors? Error counter controller. Okay. This has to be public. My bad. You got to get that. You got to get that score. Man, I am tired, and I have an interview in 30 minutes too, as well, which is kind of gonna have to try to get myself in the frame of mind to run an interview. Okay, I fucked up. But why is that? End game with fade in text. Why end game? Wait in timer end game? I don't know what the difference is here. This isn't being called anywhere. Just gonna remove it. Check error end game. Handle on car error, and then time will be up in 22 and a half minutes. I am saying now because I need to go shopping so I can make some soup. It will be up soon, yes. Time flies. Oh, okay, I see what I did. Invoke on game completed. So it's missing. Oh, because it's not an if else. Yeah. Good catch. That's a dirty ass bug. I mean, it makes me wonder. Inside the census branch and then stop execution following through. You commented out along with dead. Yeah. One separate latent bug I noticed while reading Endgame Fade Out, not causing this, but worth fixing while you're here. The subscribe, unsubscribe, don't. Oh. Fuck. Handle on. That's crazy. I completely missed that. That's a good catch. Good catch, code reviewer. I mean, I do like. I mean, it's kind of nice having like. It is kind of nice having a code reviewer on a solo project like this. Like, it does feel like a little bit like cheating, but at the same time, like if I was working on a team and I put this up for a code review, someone would catch it. But I don't have. I mean, I could code review my own stuff, I suppose, and I'd probably catch it, but then I'd also be doubling the amount of work that I have to do. Good catch. Good catch. It begs asking, though. Invoke next level. Invoke next level or end game is a tricky method. Can we clean it up somehow so it has less branching if statements? Did I spell that right? No. Okay, let me test it. It should work now. And then let me go say goodbye to my son. Perfect. Okay, fixed. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh man, I went to the gym and my fucking legs are cooked. I went on Monday, my legs are still cooked. So cooked. So sore. Okay, where are we at here? Man, the rider tools markdown.
Somewhere between caffeine and nicotine, you will find me unentertained and worn out. Pressed to the steps beside my house.
I feel like there has to be a better tool for markdown previews. Like this is so laggy, it's crazy. the boss. Set meter full is a right. Boss level progression preserves it for verbatim. Nothing in the boss flow reads is meter full. Meter controller resets it, and the meter level read can't run during boss. Sure. Test removing it. Full boss fight plus meter level in the same run. If clean, delete the line in this comment. Yeah, I suppose, huh? I mean, if nothing is reading it, why are we setting it? Probably some legacy as I was trying to figure it out. Let's see. Yep, nothing wrong here. This is where it would fall apart. But it seems like it's not a problem. Yep. Cool. A little bit of dead code. Doesn't hurt. What is this? Get max time to asteroid level. Yeah. We could refactor, we could do a rename, get max time for simple word, for start, for words level. I think that's probably a bit more appropriate. I mean, I could probably do a to-do and like change the settings and stuff like that, but I don't wanna. All right, everything still builds. Oops, wanted. Well, that does work, so that's good. Okay, that still works. We can make this back, put this back to 60. Bop, 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 bop. Advanced level is current level plus plus. Enum declaration order is the level sequence. A data-driven level sequence, e.g. on level settings SO is a separate project. Yeah. The 15 scripts branching on is X level. Kind of want to take care of the Docs Word Manager cleanup phase. Objective File 1 proposes an I-level flow interface narrowing what Word Manager strategies see of Level Manager. If that ever happens, consider whether it in progress context share numbers. Okay. Well, I mean, that is it for the refactor. And we're pretty much out of time. So I'm happy. I mean, look, at the end of the day, I was up early, but I was not feeling it. Not every day is going to be the most productive day, but I am happy to at least get a little bit done so we can continue to make progress. I have an interview in like 10-ish minutes, so I don't want to stick around past 90 because I want to get some water. So I mean, like, the one thing that I kind of hate is like all of this boilerplate, and I don't quite understand. I mean, I guess I don't quite understand. The raise forwarders are structural; they can never leave. I mean, sure. I mean, that's sure. Well, unless I pull it out of like Level Manager altogether and create like a hub, right? Right? I mean, I think like that's fair. It's maybe not worth it, right? Like, this is not the complexity that I need to deal with when adding levels. I would say the complexity of adding levels is like all of this stuff is meter level, is movement level. I need to add all of that. I need to add a progression. I need to add a new enum. So that's what I kind of want to get away from. So that's probably the next thing. I just want to make sure that I'm able to simply add levels without having to add a whole lot of scaffolding, especially in the inspector. If I go to, I think it's in Word Manager, which also feels like really icky, which is like all of this level wordless pairs that like touch Level Manager and everything. So like that's probably where I want to just kind of focus the next bit of cleanup so that I'm able to start adding more to the game. It's a pain in the ass, but it unfortunately has to get done. But I do think I end it here, and I say, and I bid y'all adieu, and thank you for hanging out, and thank you for your support, for your subs, and all of that, your Twitch primes. I know that it is not. I mean, it is. It's just appreciated. Okay, let me call it. The Ginger Dev is on lunch. We're gonna go rate Olgo. Cardok, thank you for being around. If you are still around, thank you for lurking. If you are still lurking, if there is anyone here still, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see y'all on the other side on either tomorrow for a little evening stream and definitely on Friday. Okay, bye y'all. I gotta go.